everyone, and welcome to the Art of Avara channel. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, or if you just don't know, I'm Angie, aka Avara, and this is the first part of the second installment of Sketchbook sessions. Wow, mouthful. Um, this session I wanted to ask my followers on Insta for suggestions on what they wanted to see me draw. Granted, I think I could have done tons better with this prompt from my friend Courtsiie. By the way, she has a channel too, doesn't make it basic pixel edits. This prompt was to draw a squirrel. Naturally, I drew a Godzilla-sized squirrel stomping on a planet while eating another planet while being in space, and to top it all off, it's got a unicorn horn, so it's a unicorn squirrel. Really trying to get my groove back with all of this video production and editing-ish, trying to remember what made me sit down to make that first video, been in a major rut lately with my art and my YouTube. But I'm thinking my video production problem started last October when I tried to record every single Inktober I did every single day of October while trying to cope with the crushing college finals pressure. So I guess that's why I've only recorded like 5 videos or something this year. Really trying to also iron out my process, work out the kinks and flaws that make me way less productive as a creator and an artist. Also trying to, answer that ever-burning question, like, why am I even doing all of this? I guess my current answer is only... Back to this current session, I decided to do this piece in color pencils because I haven't used them in a while. And, well, I just got this cool new crank sharpener, so all my pencils are crispy sharp. I'm no Kirsty Partridge, so this piece isn't super realistic, but boy oh boy did I have fun today. It's really like I didn't really care what the end product looked like. It was just all about the fact that I was sitting down drawing something. With regards to my process in this piece, I'm using normal student grade color pencils called Colleen's. My Colleen's are to me what Ray Dizzle's Crayolas are to her, the OG super pigmented waxy color pencil. As you can see throughout this video, I'm blending my color pencil out with a Graphit marker, Colorless alcohol blender, which is for the Graphit alcohol markers. I learned this technique from Kirsty Partridge channel. Well, she said use rubbing alcohol in a cotton bud, but this is basically the same thing. And with that, here's the final piece. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this. If you want to be featured in a future episode, do go and follow Adavar Creates, where I will be asking for future ideas. Drop me a like below and maybe subscribe if you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye!